Hey, how's it going there, everybody? I am painting this living room. Today I'm painting all the baseboards. I masked and I prepped them off earlier today, and I just coated them with one coat of Benjamin Moore Advance. And I'm not painting any of the door jamb casings or headers, and I will be painting the walls tomorrow. So what I'm doing today is getting the baseboard painted so it can dry, and so I can tape it off tomorrow. And also tomorrow when I tape off these door jambs or these door jamb casings, if I don't paint this little sliver of wall color right here and paint that the trim color, you see the other painters, they did a repaint and they messed up and they did some bad lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Advance, Benjamin Moore Advance on my brush, and I'm going to cut back this line. I'm not going to get a lot of paint on the side of the jamb, just on the line there. So when I tape that tomorrow, I'm going to have brand new lines. Hi there, everybody. Well, it's time to mask off the top of my baseboards so I can paint the ceilings and walls in this living room. I've got to put 2 coats on everything, and I started running my tape so I don't get any splatter on top of this baseboard when I do my ceilings first. And some people wonder about where to put their tape when they're doing this, so they get really nice lines. So one easy way of explaining it is, you see the highlight, that's that sign that's right here where the caulking's at. You want to tape over that to where the tape just goes up to the wall. It just goes up and barely butts up against the wall. It doesn't climb up onto the wall too high, and it looks like it does a tiniest bit right here. But when you go over it with your painter's putty knife, your flex knife, you push it down. This is called burnishing the tape. It's going to pull that down real nice and tight, and watch exactly where my edge is at on this putty knife. See how the tape doesn't climb up any higher than the putty knife? Right here, it's a tiny bit up. That's the most you'd want it whatsoever at all. If it looks like that, when you pull your tape, you're going to have a really wonderful wall to trim line. Hey guys, well, I just showed you how I tape off all my baseboards and my trim by using 1.5 inch blue masking tape. It makes some really nice lines, and I'm ready to paint the walls and ceilings. But one last step to ensure a really awesome line from your walls to your trim. A professional way to do it is to use your trim paint to seal the tape all the way around all the door jambs and casings and baseboard, like I've done here. I'm going to take just a little bit on my paintbrush and feather over that line. And what that's going to do is it's going to seal the blue tape. If there were any little minute paint bleeds of this color, it's going to be the same as the trim color. And that's going to seal that tape from any wall paint coming through. And these lines are going to look beautiful when I pull it.